Good morning. Good morning, Ricky. Good morning, everyone. Wonderful morning. Look, our path is here. We are on the right way. Let's go. Follow me. Hey, wait! I'm coming! Wow, look! So many colorful parrots! And funny monkeys! Listen! I hear the sound of water. Let's go this way. Woo! Wow, a river! Yay! Let's go! Look! A little lion cub! Be careful! Oh no! He fell into the river!
A crocodile! Oh no! Look out!
Hold on! Hop on my back! Quiet! Don't wake up the crocodile! Whew! We are safe! Meow! Purr!
Roar! Where is my baby?
Look! Your baby is there! He is safe!
Stand behind me.
Oh no! A crocodile in the water!
Don't worry, I am Lion. I am a strong lion. Stand behind me.
Quick, jump! Don't look down! 1, 2, jump!
Hooray! We made it!
Meow! Daddy! Well done! You made it! We are safe now! Thank you! You are so brave!
Follow this way.
Hooray! Thank you, Fairy! Thank you, Lion!
Good luck. Find the magic tree. You saved my cub. You are a true friend. Good luck. Come on, little lion cub. Run to daddy!